Yes, this so far this is the Chillax for Motion of Steel Touch 2. Here we go. Real Invasion, Avenger Fire, Backwards Bob, Bagwood Dragonoid, Blue Thunder, Catch Curse, Crustacean, Doomsday, Dragon, Earthshaker, Trolloco, Cat Smoky Garage, Grave Digger, where the Legend Hurricane Inverse. Not sure why it's black, but whatever. Ice Cream Man, Jurassic Attack, Max D, Million Moquar, Sunchuck, Train Truck, Mastermind Automation, Mastermind Husky, Mastermind Jungle Dog, Mastermind Poodle, Mastermind Red Roller, Northern Nightmare, Octanator, Price Course, Souls of Fortune, Black Ops, 7 Digger, Whiplash, 7 Digger, Sparkle Smash, Stone Crusher, Whiplash, and Zombie. Those are the only checks we know so far. I don't know. See you guys later. Bye.